What up, guys? Just got my sneaker tub in, so I'm just about to open it up for you real quick. I'm excited to see what's in here. Been waiting for some new shoes. Alright. I'll give you guys that first look. It's always good packaging, customized sneaker tub. Paper always there, and the box is always nice. I mean, I love these guys. Alright, let's see. First thing we got in here. Ooh, it's a hat. Ooh, it's a milk snapback. Nice. Right there. Milk. Let's try that on. Oh, I gotta adjust that. All right. Milk snapback. Too tight. All right. Let's try this again. Boom. All right. Got milk. I do. I got the juice, the sauce. I'm gonna have to adjust that, but great hat. Milk. It's a nice, like a dark navy blue with the white. I fuck with that. I really love navy blue, royal blue, anything really blue. Great hat, guys. Let's see what else we got in here. Of course, I got my sneaker tub card. You already know. Gang, gang. Ooh. Okay. Some Stan socks. These are nice. What are these? Okay, it's just a nice design. Oh, no, never mind. These are NBA. Wow, these are nice. Oh, these are Raptors Wave Racer. These are nice. Shout out to Stance and Sneaker Tub, my guys. These are fire. Okay, at first I thought it was like a snake over here, but then as I got up to the higher side, you could see like the Raptors logo, like kind of right there. That's sick. These are nice. Raptors logo on the other side. Whew, these are nice. I love the socks I get in Sneaker Tub. They are perfect for ball, for any other sport actually. I play ball and football, so perfect for those. Any athlete knows you gotta have your sock game up with your shoe game. That's important. Shout out to the Stan socks. Okay, I think I got a Herschel wallet. Nice. Okay. Nice little Herschel wallet, olive green. Looks nice. Let's go. Hey! And we got some Jordans. Boom. I've been waiting for some Jordans. Air Jordan mid ones. White and black. Anything white and black is gonna be dope. You already know. Ooh. Okay. Some all white. Some all white Air Ones. Those are nice. Okay. Hell yeah, these are nice. Hell yeah. I do need some white shoes. I mean, my other ones, I gotta clean them with my wipes that I got in my sneaker rescue. But those are dope right here. Look at that. Side view. That back view. And that awkward view. There you go. There you go. Yeah, these are dope. I love these. These are nice. Alright, guys. So, that was my September sneaker tub. Hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know if you like the shoes. Anything, actually. If you liked what you liked, what you didn't like. I mean, I love these socks. These are nice. All my Stan socks are nice. So shout out Stans, shout out Sneaker Tub. Always blasting it up in there. And I'll see you guys next time. Later.